Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be solving this mathematical equation. It's a famous question that almost every individual must have seen. It's x plus y plus z equals 0, x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals square root of 7. Find x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 4. Now this question would have been very simple if we have the value for the last one. Definitely we'll just be looking for the value of x, y and z, but it's going to be very wrong now to look for the value of x, y and z, because we are going to be having like 4 unknowns there, which might be kind of complex. So what I'm going to do right now is to express the equation in terms of x and y. And how do I do that? Let's say from equation 1, where we have x plus y plus z equals 0. So I'm going to say x plus y equal negative z. So I'll call this equation star. And coming to equation 2, so from equation 2 I will have x squared plus y squared to equal to the square root of 7 minus z squared, and that will give me equation star. Now from equation star, what else can I do? I'm going to express x squared plus y squared as an algebraic identity. So I'm going to write it as x plus y all squared minus 2xy, and this way equal to x squared plus y squared. Can you get that now? So x squared plus y squared is just the square root of 7 minus z squared. So this one will become into brackets x plus y all squared minus 2xy equal the square root of 7 minus z squared. So if you look at this now, what's the next thing do I want to do here? The next thing I want to do here is that I should substitute for x plus y, which is z squared. You can see that in equation star. So x plus y is negative z squared. Can you see that? Then minus 2xy equal the square root of 7 minus z squared. Now I'm going to take this to the other side of the equation so that I can make xy the subject of the formula. Remember, our aim of doing all of this is to be able to make xy the subject of the formula. So what I'm going to do right here is that if I transfer this to the other side, I will have what? Xy to equal to the z square minus square root of 7 all over 2. So let's call this one equation star. So if I have that, let's go to the third equation. And the third equation, remember, it is x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 4, and that is unknown. Now remember that I said I'm going to reduce this equation to just be x and y only. So let's forget about this z now. And why am I going to forget about the z right now is because I already expressed x and y in terms of z. So if I can bring out x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4, since this is expressed in terms of z, then I can work with it, and you're going to see what we are going to end up with. So let's go on. Remember, x to the power of 4 can be written as x squared all squared plus y to the power of 4 can also be written as y squared all squared. So if that should be the case, then this can become what? I can rewrite this as x squared plus y squared all to the power of 2, that is algebraic identity, minus 2x squared times y squared. Can you see that now? So if that should be the case, what's the value for x squared minus x squared plus y squared? So if I have x squared plus y squared, my result is just going to be into bracket the square root of 7 minus z squared all squared. I see that now. Then minus this now, which is 2 into bracket x squared times y squared can be written as xy all squared, right? So, and you agree with me that xy, that is equation star, is going to become z squared minus the square root of 7 all over 2, then all squared. So do you get that now? So if this should be the case, then I think let's just adjust the board up so I can have enough space. Alright, so here now we can now have that x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to, so we need to expand this bracket right now. So we are going to expand this, we're also going to expand this. So we're going to have this to become what? 7 minus 2 root 7 then multiply by z squared, then plus this one, this is 2 here, forget about it, this square here, put it here, that will be 4. 2 times z raised to power 4, that will be 2z raised to power 4. Oh, there's a mistake here, this is supposed to be minus because of this. Alright, so this is supposed to be minus. So what I'm going to have next is minus, so the 2 here will cancel, the 2 at the denominator, then we are going to be having what? 2 root 7 then multiply by z squared minus 7 over 2. So if you are able to expand this bracket, this should be your what? Your result. So if that should be the case, this, now this is supposed to become plus because of this minus. Are you getting it now? This minus will make this one to become plus. So this and this, we cancel this, and then what again? What again will cancel? Okay. I think there's a mistake in our expansion, so let's figure that out. Okay. All right. So now let's figure out the mistake in our expansion. So if I'm able to expand this, I'm going to have 7 minus 2 root 7 times z squared plus z to the power of 4. Yeah, then minus, this will become 2 to the power of z, 2z raised to power 4 plus 2 root 7 z squared, right, minus 7 over 2. And I think this should be correct now, so that this and this would cancel, and this would take care of these two. So we are going to have this left. So we therefore have that x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 equals 7 minus 7 over 2, and that should give us that x to the power of 4 plus, this one is remaining minus minus z to the power of 4. Yeah, so this will become x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4. So transfer this to this side, we have plus z to the power of 4 equal 14 minus 7 over 2 when you find the LCM of this. So for that reason, we have that x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 4 equal 7 over 2. And that is just the answer to that particular question. That is, if I have that x plus y plus z equals 0, and x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal root 7. Therefore, x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 4 is equal to 7 over 2. And I want to believe you enjoy this tutorial and you understand the way the solution goes. Thank you. Don't mind me, I'm still trying to master my tablet. I'm going to get better at it very soon. So see you guys in the next video. If you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, like and share within your friend. Catch you in the next class.